Hi everyone. In today's video, I wanted to talk about this blue star fern. It's like out of control, you can see. I've had just this beautiful love-hate relationship. I found this plant at, I think, a Walmart in town earlier this year, and I actually walked by it 3 or 4 times, like after 3 or 4 different shopping trips, and then finally I had to bring it home. I've never had good luck with ferns, even though I live in Missouri and it's super humid here like all the time. I still just, I don't know, I don't have the fern touch, but I just love how this guy, like, look at how he moves, you know, he just is so wispy, and I love these long leaves. They remind me of rabbit's foot fern, which is what I had called it in another video. I didn't realize that they were 2 different plants. But yeah, this is the blue star fern, and it's just so gorgeous. I love how thin and delicate the stems are and how they kind of just move in the breeze. But you can see I have some dried tips here. I just don't water this guy. I can't give him the love that he seems to need to just thrive at my house. But we keep trying. I mean, we've had like so much dieback and then so much new growth, and it's just an ebb and flow. We're still trying to figure each other out. So if anyone has any tips for me, please help me. Let me, you know, love this guy the way that he deserves to be loved. I need to, every time like I come, I just pick out all the dead stuff, because I don't know if you can even see in here. There's all these new little growths, like you can see that little guy right there. The new growth comes up and it's so delicate and so precious. And then it dies. And so, I mean, I've always kept this plant in the house. You know, it's about 70 degrees in our house. It's very close. We're about 6 feet away from an eastern window, so it gets a lot of indirect light. I don't think light is an issue. Humidity, maybe I need to put it outside in the summers. Maybe that would really help him. There are 3 plants inside of here, so maybe if I break it down and put it in a terrarium, I don't know. Help me out. My love for him is so strong, yet I can't seem to give him what he needs to thrive. I mean, it looks like a nice plant, and you can see like some of this is great. But at the same time, like there's just so much dead and unhappiness on this guy. So eventually, once we finish building the addition, you know, I can put it in a different location. We can get it hung. I haven't taken it off yet because I wasn't sure if I wanted to stop hanging it or what. But you know, let me know. Put some comments in the comments below and let me know what I can do to make this guy happier, because he's so precious. And I just love him, and I don't want him to fully die. But like I said, it's been a love-hate relationship since we met like 6 months ago. So help me out, please. Thank you. All right, well, thanks for tuning in, and of course, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.